All right, how's it going again, YouTube? So we've been working on the Z400, as you've seen in other videos we've done. We've got a new Thrill Seekers seat cover on here. We powder coated the shock springs, new A-arms plus 3 A-arms. So I've just been giving this thing a little bit of attention. So today, Christy got a new part that we're gonna put on. Let's see what you got.
New exhaust.
Ooh. So, Christy's gonna do the Rossier, however you say the damn word. But she wanted to try something different. We got Monster exhaust on my LTR. We've got Barker's exhaust on Candace's 250 hybrid. The Raptor's got Monster exhaust. That's got old DG exhaust on the Raptor 250. We've had a few exhausts and she wanted something different. Nobody we know has the Rossier, so we bought that. And it should match pretty good with the other mods we've done to this and what she has planned in the future. So we're gonna install that. Christy is gonna video this. If you want to see the whole video of the install, check out Christy's, but this is gonna be more of like a before and after kinda. So let me show you what we have on here now. It's pretty impressive. This is a Amazon can that we put on here back when we bought this. So feast your eyes on that. That's the old Amazon $35 special. And we just fitted the pipe up there, and then it slips onto the factory head pipe. We actually powder coated the heat shield to make it look a little bit better, but as we do more mods on this and she wants something fancier, kind of match everybody else's, so that's what she's got now. And it sounds good, no complaints there, but it has pretty much absolutely no performance gains to it. So this one will. So I'll bring you guys back after we get this installed. And like I said, if you want to see the whole installation, we're gonna video this for Christy's channel. But for now, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and we'll come right back with the finished product on there. Start it, give you guys a little sound clip, all that good stuff. So we'll be right back here pretty soon. All right, so we're back. We got the exhaust all installed. We ended up having to take the the freaking thermostat off, the radiator fan off, to get the old pipe out. But here it is, the new Rossier exhaust. Check that out. Real nice. Kind of sucks how close it is right there to the fender, but man, it's good looking. Matches kind of the theme that Christy's going with now. So what we're up to now is Christy is about to do the very first start of it, so we'll all find out how it sounds together. I'm dual recording for Christy here, so cameraman. So let me get this going. Dual recording. You're probably gonna have to choke it. Yep. there it is. What do you think, Christy?
I like it. I think it turned out really good. Looks really good. Sounds really good. Very happy with it.
She got the blue to match kind of the color scheme she's going for. So like the powder coated blue springs, the blue on the exhaust, the blue seat, and there's graphics on the way too.
Yes, there is. Be a couple of weeks, but they're on the way.
Christy's a sticker hater like a bunch of our other friends, but she's breaking down and she's gonna sticker them up like the other machines we have.
It's not gonna be that extreme, but it'll
No.
be a little bit.
No, something more subtle, not so picturescent, but something to kind of stand out from all the other Z400s. So one thing, like, I don't know if we said it before, but one cool thing about this ATV is, I mean, it's nice. We bought this for $700, and it's an 04, and it's, I think, probably one of the nicest ones we see anywhere. What do you think?
Completely agree.
Yeah, well, it's hers, so of course she'd agree. But let me know what you guys think. Rossier Exhaust, pretty badass. First one we have. And what do you think of the color changes and stuff on the Z400? Let us know. Like and subscribe. If, like I said before, if you want to see all the shit we went through to get this exhaust on, which is not bad, just standard stuff. I'll leave a link. Check out Christy's video and
My channel.
her channel. Subscribe to her. And until next time, thanks for watching, and see you later.